Hello all, my name is Manjunath. Welcome to CloudBytes YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Terraform on Windows system. Overview of installation process. Terraform installation is very simple. All you need to do is download Terraform binary file and use it. You can download this binary file from terraform.io website. Okay. So Terraform supported platforms. Terraform works on multiple platforms. This includes Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and OpenBSD Solaris. Okay, this is the official site to download Terraform.exe file. Okay, it should list out Terraform downloads for various platforms like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and Solaris. Okay. For now, we are going to download the latest version for Windows. For example, for Windows, I am downloading version number 4.4. Okay. Click on download icon. It will download the zip file. Okay. Now, what you have to do is go to the C drive of your system, create a folder called Terraform. Okay. Now go back to downloads and copy this zip file and go to back to the C drive, and I have created a folder called Terraform and paste it. Okay. And after pasting, you have to unzip this folder. Means you have to extract the files to this folder. Once extraction is done, you have to go to this PC and click on properties and click on advanced system settings and click on environment variables. Now all you have to do is you have to add the path where you have extracted that terraform.exe file. Okay, let me go back to C drive, Terraform. This is a place where I have extracted this one. Okay, let me copy this path. You can see that terraform.exe. I'm copying this path and going to the environmental variables and click on path and click on edit. Okay, here you have to click on new and paste the path of the terraform.exe file and click on close and click on OK and close all the files. Now open CMD and type terraform space minus minus version. See, now you can see that now my command prompt is able to detect the Terraform. We have downloaded Terraform version 1.4.4. Okay, this is how you can install Terraform on Windows. Okay, even if you type Terraform enter, it will show all the related commands you can file for this Terraform. Okay, thank you all. Hope this session is informative for all. Okay, here is a link. You can download terraform.exe from official HashiCorp site and also the our channel link. I request every one of you to like and subscribe CloudBytes YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.